Konkan, the picturesque coastline of Maharashtra, with fascinating beaches and clean waters of the channel, adding to the marvelous scenery. Inaccessible mountain ranges, lush green nature. Nature has bestowed upon Konkan beauty in all forms with a free hand. However, this Garden of Eden is dotted with certain black spots, spoiling its beauty. Due to the inaccessibility, there are not enough transport facilities. The rate of literacy is very low. In general, progress lags behind in all other aspects, because of which the natives are rendered helpless against natural calamities. In adherence to the principle of selfless service to the people as a part of Karma Yoga philosophy, Shri Digambar Das Maharaj, belonging to the tradition of Akalkot Nivasi Shri Swami Samartha Maharaj, established Shri Sant Sitaram Bua Valavalkar Charitable Trust in 1969 and Shri Vithalrao Joshi Charities Trust in 1977. These two trusts promoted various educational and social programs, out of which Shri Shiva Samarthagad, English Medium Primary School and a very well-equipped hospital are the major undertakings. In the year 2001, Bhakta Shrestha Kamlakar Pant Valavalkar Hospital, run by Shri Vithalrao Joshi's Charities Trust, began a very ambitious project spanning the period of 6 years, and that project is of cleft lip and palate treatment. In India, every year, 1 in 1,000 children falls prey to this physical disorder. In the phase of formation of the face of the child during pregnancy, if there is any discrepancy in the growth of the physical parts of the most important area of the mouth and nose, then it gives rise to the congenital disorder of cleft lip and palate. Malnutrition of the mother during pregnancy is also one of the important causes of this disorder. Consanguineous marriages too threaten the child with this congenital physical abnormality. It results in the inability of the child to suckle properly at the time of breastfeeding, which obviously results in malnutrition of the child. Irregular growth and placement of teeth is also an unwanted result. Moreover, it even creates speech problems in the child. Impairment of the hearing capacity too can mess up the life of the child. Illiteracy and superstitions strengthen the belief among the people that this congenital abnormality is the curse of God and is incorrigible. The belief rules out any possibility of timely medical aid and makes the child suffer under social stigma throughout life. The proper treatment of this abnormality involves a team of specialists like plastic surgeon, general surgeon, pediatrician, anesthetist, speech therapist, orthodontist, and dentist, and all the state-of-the-art technology in addition. Since the hospital is rich with all these requirements, it can carry out this cleft lip and palate project successfully. All the necessary operations are done at the hospital. The project doesn't stop at treatment and operation, but all the doctors and the other staff are ready to combat this abnormality on various levels. The project today targets the districts of Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. The project is parallelized without the help of private practitioners, social workers and local school teachers. They try to reach colonies in every nook and corner of the area and detect child patients. They counsel the parents about the treatment and convince them to go to the hospital. The hospital takes care of all the necessary operations. This operation is mandatory when the child's age is 3 months. In some cases, the treatment is divided into phases. During the period between two phases, it is important to keep the child under proper medical observation. At times, it is not easily possible for the parents to take the child to the hospital. At such times, the doctors take it upon themselves to visit the patients and treat them. The parents are systematically informed about different phases of treatment at different corresponding ages of the child. They are inspired to avail of the treatment facility. The work of the speech therapist and orthodontist begins once the child starts talking. All the specialists play the appropriate roles in each of the phases.
The orthodontic treatment of the cleft child is done by taking the measurement of the teeth by using a simple alginate impression. This impression gives us the detailed records of the teeth and the jaw. The impression is a negative record of the teeth. We use a stone plaster mix to achieve a positive, that is the dental model. On this dental model, we fabricate an acrylic appliance which contains certain components such as expansion screws, Z-springs and other minor tooth moving components which are fitted onto this appliance, and this appliance is placed into the mouth. The patient has to wear this appliance throughout the day for a period of ranging from 6 months to a year. He has to remove this appliance while eating and while brushing his teeth. The activation of the appliance is explained to the patient's parents so that the patient can go home, do the activation on his own and report back to the clinic once in 3 weeks. The speech therapy of the child essentially involves the proper articulation of the lips, the tongue, the palate and the soft palate. Our Indian languages are fortunate to have the speech therapy done on its own. The simple use of our Barakhadi, that is K Kh G Gh N, Ch Ch J Jh N, P Ph B Bh M and T Th D D N, for example, demonstrates the use of the various parts of the mouth in generating speech. The cleft child has to be explained the use of proper posture of the tongue, the lips and the movement of the lips and the tongue so that the desired sound is achieved.
Generally, this whole treatment of cleft lip and palate costs around 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. But Bhakta Shrestha Kamlakar Pant Valavalkar Hospital provides this treatment entirely free of cost. Perhaps this is the only hospital in Maharashtra state rendering such a service. Measures of prevention, promotion and cure are the 3 aspects of any health program. The hospital today is carrying out the curative measures with zeal. The research of preventive measures for this abnormality of cleft lip and palate is the goal of the future.